A very good morning, dear students of MCA 5th semester. I welcome you back to this online class. This semester, yet again, I have been assigned one elective paper for your class, that is compiler design, and it bears a subject code MCA PGE 507. Before starting up with the discussion of the syllabus and the topics of compiler design, I request everyone to kindly visit the university website and download the syllabus and check out the syllabus not just for the compiler design but also the syllabus for formal language and automata theory. If you remember, in the third semester when I had taken formal language and automata theory, I have been time and again reminding you that this particular subject is very important and it will be acting as a prerequisite for the next semester's subject, that is compiler design. Okay, so here again I would like to say that until and unless you are not familiar with, you are not very clear with the topics of formal language and automata theory like regular grammar, regular language, especially the context-free grammar, context-free language and push-down automata, it turns out to be very difficult for you all to understand the designing of compiler, or especially the parser. Okay, the designing of the parser. Okay, and for formal language and automata theory, similarly discrete mathematics was the prerequisite. So all the related terminologies and all the related terms has to be taken care of before you start off with compiler design. Okay, and I'm sure all of you are safe at home, utilizing your time in the best possible way. So please, dear students, kindly stay back at home, stay safe and take all the precaution to ensure that you are fine and in good health. Okay, so let's start off with the discussion on the syllabus. So you all are already aware that our university pattern for our syllabus, especially for our course, is 4 units in each of the subject and 4 credit that is assigned for a particular subject. So same is for the compiler design. So we have 4 units. Okay, so unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4, and in unit 1 and unit 2 if you'll have a what you call look into, so you can just have a look that you can just notice that most of the topics are from formal language and automata theory, like regular language, finite automata, regular expression to finite automata, normalization. If you remember Chomsky normal form and Rebika normal form, that is most of the topic of unit 1 is from flat. Only phases of compilation and overview of lexical analysis and scanner generator, only 3 topics are from compiler design. Similarly in unit 2, push down automata, okay, second variant of automata, okay, context free language, context free grammar, top down and bottom up parsing, ambiguity, these are all topics from formal language and automata theory. Okay, so and in this unit, apart from this, we'll have a look into the different types of top down parser and bottom up parser like operator grammar, LR0, SLR1, LR1 and many more. Okay, apart from that, in unit 2 we will discuss basically on the syntax directed definition, which we commonly call it as SDD, and syntax directed translation, that we call it as SDT. Okay, these are the important topics of unit 2. Unit 3 will have a look into a symbol table. So symbol table is nothing but a data structure that comprises of the symbol and its attributes. So here in this particular unit, we'll have a look into what should be the structure of the symbol table, what are the different symbol and its attributes available, and what is the scope of those symbol and how do we manage the scope. Okay, and we will also be discussing on the intermediate code generation along with the runtime environment. Moving on to unit 4. Unit 4 is basically about once the code is generated, you need to optimize the code, okay, or you need to have a improvised code. So code improvement needs to be done. So what are the different techniques, or what are the different techniques available in order to improve, make an improvement on the code that has been generated, so that a target code can be generated, a clear target code can be generated. Okay, so those topics we'll have a look into in unit 4. And these are the list of textbooks and the reference book. I personally recommend the first textbook, that is by Aho, Sethi and Ullman, that is Compiler Principle Techniques and Tools by Our Sethi and Ullman. However, you can have a look into the other books that are available. And for the designing of the parser, I have not referred to any of the textbook. Rather, I have referred to the online materials that are available and the different videos that are available in YouTube.